Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to render image in Blender. If you want to do it, we need to select our object, and next we need to go to render properties. Then we need to choose one from available render engines. If you want a better quality, I recommend you to change it to cycles. Now you can change sampling settings. You can change here maximum and minimum samples number. Everything depends on your preferences. Now we need to go to the left upper corner and click on render. Here you will find a lot of really useful settings. One of them is render image. You can select this one option or use shortcut from your keyboard F12. So I select this one option, and it is the preview of our image. You need to wait some time to finish this process. Okay, now process has been successfully finished. If you would like to save this image, you need to go to image and then you need to go to save as. Now you need to go to directory where you want to save this image, and we need to type here the name of the file. So for example, I will type here new image, and then I click save as image. And now you need to open image from correct directory, and how you see it really works. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching.